Even before I was the academic coach here, I really wanted the students that would be coming here to have access to things that they might have had access to at their previous schools and really give them that opportunity to learn and make real-world connections like many of the other schools in our district have. And I just felt like that was really important to them. So I applied for the grant. I ended up getting hired on as the academic coach. And then we found out later in the year that we received the grant for almost $30,000 for our students. The Google grant has been utilized in our school by providing different resources and opportunities for our students to have hands-on learning. So we have Bbots, we have the Star Lab, the 3D printer, all sorts of different resources that we gained from the Google grant. And we are really trying to make it cross-curricular. So there are opportunities for all of our teachers, pre-K through 5th grade, to utilize these resources. And then also in math, science, reading, making text connections to real-world application so that all students have the ability to participate in conversations and learning. This will help the students at the school by providing real-world opportunities and application. So they're not just taking the things that they're learning and applying it to paper, but they're taking the things that they're learning and applying it to actual hands-on experiences for them, having conversations with their peers. They're learning how to communicate with one another in a positive way. They're learning how to give suggestions and really go through the engineer design process in all areas of the curriculum.